Hello, hello. It's me again in the kitchen. I'm doing a taco salad, a chicken taco salad. I saw some taco salads made the other day. I had a craving for tacos, blah blah blah. So I said, how can I make them healthier? And I looked up some taco salads, and I made some. I made some yesterday, so I'm gonna perfect it today. I got some Tostitos, crispy, thin and crispy, cheddar cheese, Roma tomatoes. I got some cilantro, some black olives, artisan and butter lettuce. And over here I got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. All natural, farm raised, blah, blah, blah. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of this adobo here. And my homemade taco seasoning. I'm going to use that later. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, season it right quick, and I'm going to throw it on the grill. So now that I've seasoned these thin chicken breasts on both sides, I'm going to sear them right here on the George Foreman grill. And a thick one. With some olive oil. I got some plain classic olive oil. And I'm going to sear these up. And I'll be right back at you for the next step. Okay, now we are at the second part. I put a little olive oil in here for this hot pan, so I can caramelize some onions and bell pepper. So I'm going to let this go. I need to turn this down. Stainless steel gets hot. And while we doing this, letting this caramelize and brown up and everything, and get mixed up good, we're going to cut the chicken breast. See, I like that little sear. And we're going to cut these up, place them in there with that, and shake the seasoning on it. So, I got a fourth a cup of water and like 2 tablespoons of my taco seasoning. It's just a couple of my favorite packets of seasoning. They different brands, and I just mixed them up and added a little more spice to them, like paprika and stuff like that, garlic, onion powder, and all that. So I'm gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes, to get this thick and let the chicken get a little bit more softer. And while that's going, I'm gonna chop my lettuce. So I'm gonna get that ready. Okay, you see that there? It's thick. Bam, simmered up nice. Okay, now I'm finna build the salad. I chopped these up, the lettuce up, real nice and cool and shit. So, there we have you. I want some color in now, that's why I like the artisan too. We had a little pocket right there. Alright, now we're gonna go with the cilantro. And then the tomatoes. My flash gone because my battery getting low. And then we're gonna come with some of this here beautiful chicken meat. Now we're gonna come with the chips first or the chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna come with the chips first. Those chips are good. The Cantina thin and crispy. By Tostitos. And now I'm gonna come with this beautiful chicken. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chicken. Put that on there. Just like that there. A little more chicken. I'm trying to get it symmetrical, but forget it. It still looks cute. All right, what we left out? Oh, cheese. Throw some cheese on here. We threw some cheese on it. Throw some cheese on it. But I got a surprise for you. This here. Voila. Ranch dressing. You can thank me later. Instead of what do you call it? Some black olives. I mean, instead of the sour cream, I use ranch. It's pretty good. Throw some black olives on there. And a couple of slices of avocado. And we done. Try it out.